While we were at a rally in Live Oak, Florida, they had some RVs on display there, and I went into this one that was like 27 feet long, little trailer, and I guess not so little, 27 feet. But I just thought it was really cute and felt really spacious. So I thought I'd share it with you and see what you think. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. This is a Freedom Ultralight Express. Sale price $24,995. 27 foot 9 inches. This is, for a little camper, this is spacious. The TV probably swings out, so when you're sitting in the sofa, you can see it. A propane refrigerator, 3 burner gas, propane, a microwave, your sink. Very cute. There's a bathroom. Good sized shower. Sink and some storage. And your towels there. And then you got your queen back here, and you can walk around the bed so you can get to it from both sides. And then you got your storage closets and little lights. Very cute. It's pretty roomy. Well, go to downsize, this would probably be something that would work. Gotta have my lazy boys though. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.